put in a question here. It's not supposed to be a safe, I suppose. Hey, you silly! You should put a full stop here.
What was your answer?
32.
You are right. For looking for the important words in the question, we reached developing because you read the question accurately and you found the important words in the question, but you didn't restate the nature of the question in your own words. It means you read the question, but you made it into your own words. And for making the model, you used the materials to attempt to find an answer, which is good, and created a successful model of the problem, but you didn't explain how the model helped you find the solution.
Okay.
Good work.
Did you know that left ventricle, which pumps blood into the aorta, has the thickest, strongest muscle in the heart?
The title's pretty good because it has a how in it, and it focuses on the keywords and it has capitals in it. For the opening statement, you could make it better by adding the most important parts of the circulatory system. Your body is it's pretty detailed and it works really well. And for the conclusion, you could make it better by summarizing it, but it does have an interesting concluding statement and fact. In the complication, you could have added that Debbie was brave for saying hi, even though she wasn't nice to her first of all.
Alright, Jenny, what level do you think you're on? Not really sure? Okay, have a little look at the things. Take this. Can you give me a stencil, baby? Level 2? Okay, let's check the full stops and capital letters. Yes, 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 yes. Makes sense. First, the adult frog lays millions of eggs. After 2 weeks, baby tadpoles hatch from the egg. Then the baby tadpoles form lungs and their gills disappear. Next, the tadpoles grow their back legs. After that, the tadpole grows front legs, but it still has a tail. At this point, the froglet is nearly an adult, but it has a small tail. Now the froglet is an adult, and the life cycle will start all over again. Good. Makes sense. Level 2, structure's correct. Spelling has been checked. Alright, let's see the spelling. I thought that was wrong, but it's right. Okay, spelling's all correct. Let's have a look at level 3. Punctuation is all right. Time connectives, first, after, then, next, after. Another tick. Time connect is present tense. It was present tense. Title was a question. Well, we didn't have a title with this one. Interesting sentences. You use facts and your pictures describe. You are on level 4. Well done. You take it back to your desk.
Yes.
Just sit down there.
Yes.
Alright, go check what level you're on and come back and tell me. Alright, what level do you think you're on?
Level 3.
Okay. Let's check for capital letters and full stops. Okay. Yep. 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 Let's see if it makes sense. First, the mother lays an egg. The egg is like a jelly coating. Line up, Rocco. Secondly, the tadpoles are hatched with no legs and arms but have a long tail. Next, tadpoles have big arms. Then the froglet has legs but no arms. Line up, Rocco. After that, the froglet has legs and arms but still has a long tail. Okay, just this word here. Get the right tense there. Okay, when the froglet is big enough, it is. When the froglet is big enough, it is called a frog.
Now called.
Now called a frog. Okay. It is now called a frog. Good. And finally, this frog is called an adult frog. Okay, so it makes sense. The structure was correct. The spelling was fine. Punctuation was right. Time connectives. First, second, next, then after. Good. Title was a question. We didn't have a title on this one. Complex sentences, use facts and use pictures. Alright. Level 4.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can you go to your seat, please? First of all, I want to talk about what we're learning. So when we do put the puppets on our hands, and we do have to answer questions from the crowd, what are we actually learning how to do? James?
To follow to answer what they're saying and
Okay.
not pausing straight away.
Alright, so we are learning to make up answers. What else are we learning to do?
To speak to the
Good start. To speak. Good start. Erica, finish it for him. Clearly. And in a... Think about the puppets. We're not doing routine. Cecilia? In a different voice. Hannah?
Speak confidently.
Yeah, be confident. You're learning how to be confident. Okay, what am I looking for? What's going to get you the big fat tick? Eru.
When you are making up answers to the stories.
Okay, I'm looking for answers tell a story. Look at the other two things we're learning about. How are you going to show that you know what to do? Raymond?
You don't be quoted and say
Okay. So clear speaking means no If we're learning about how to be confident, what am I looking for?
Speak confidently.
Okay. But how am I going to know that you're confident? I'm looking for a different word to describe it, Ashley.
Not being shy.
Okay. But how am I going to know that you're not shy, that you're being confident? James?
Speak loud.
Loudly. Okay, good.
One day I saw you wearing a snazzy hat.
A snazzy hat. You're going to ask him why he was wearing a snazzy hat?
Yeah.
Alright. Why were you wearing a snazzy hat?
Because
Were you going somewhere?
I was going somewhere.
Yeah, where?
In a party.
You go to a party. Pranav?
It's for the pig. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is rainbow because every time when I see a rainbow, I build a house on it and I live there till the rainbow goes away.
Alright, who can tell me something about the horse? Alexis?
The horse was good at acting and had a good voice, but he did one long pause.
Okay. Had a good voice, good at acting, but had one long pause. Who can tell me something about the pig? Yes, Raymond.
She'd tell stories and said her arms and had a loud voice.
Okay, she did all three of those things. Who can say something about the sheep? Keegan.
She had a clear voice. And
Was there anything she needs to work on for next time?
the arms.
Just no more ums? No, not me, Nincompoop. I want me doing it. I'll do it. Raymond, this is all wrong! It's terrible!